Welcome back to episode 2 of my dad's mini bike build. If you haven't already, I highly recommend watching episode 1 where we go over our design and plans for this bike. Since this bike is going to be a softtail, we needed to design and build a swing arm. We used square tubing and some flat stock to keep it simple. The main parameter we had to worry about was clearance for the rear wheel. After completing the swing arm, my dad cut out the basic shape for the seat pan gusset. This design we had initially drawn and cut out of cardboard. We got the gusset tacked into place, and I moved on to cutting out the seat pan bracket and checked it for fitment. Alright, we've been working on a few things, including getting the gas tank tunneled, and then I made some tabs for the suspension on here. But we're going to take a step back because we made this plate and then we realized it looked stupid. So we're going to cut a little bit more off of here, drill a hole for our suspension mount, and then we're going to put it all back together and hopefully get the suspension on here. Earlier, I had made some tabs to be used for the lower shock mounts, and to attach them where we wanted them, we mocked up the bike, made some adjustments, and tacked them in. While my dad did some welding, I got the seat pan bracket ready to attach. Once we had that tacked on, we basically had a rolling frame, so we took it down and tested it out. We are really happy with it actually. It is somewhat on the tiny side for me, but this bike is for my dad, and he's a bit smaller than I am. At this point, we wanted to see what it looked like with all the parts that we had attached, so we did a more complete mock-up on the bench, and I can say we're definitely happy with the way this thing is turning out. There's still a lot to do, including the foot pegs, jack shaft, exhaust, seat pan, and much more. So be sure to subscribe and watch for our next mini bike build video.